If you've ever felt that pit in your stomach thinking about your bank account or your future, this video is for you. We're breaking down how to stop feeling overwhelmed and start making your money work for you. No magic tricks, just a solid, beginner-friendly framework to manage your money the smart way. These are the same principles used by people who build real sustainable wealth. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to transform your relationship with money. We'll cover tracking your spending, budgeting, crushing debt, and getting started with investing, even if you're starting small. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Step 1. Know your numbers. This is where your financial journey truly begins, and it's the most important step you can take. Think of this as the foundation of everything you'll build. Without a strong base, nothing else will stand for long. For one full month, track every single dollar you spend. No exceptions, no matter how small or routine the purchase. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app on your phone. Whatever feels easiest for you to stick with. The tool itself doesn't matter. What matters is building the habit of tracking consistently day after day. Don't judge yourself or try to change your habits yet. Just focus on gathering the data honestly. Most people underestimate their small, everyday expenses, but those little purchases add up surprisingly fast over time. At the end of the month, add up your total income and your total expenses. Be as accurate as possible. The difference between these numbers is your savings rate, or if you're spending more than you earn, your debt rate. This simple calculation instantly shows you if you're moving forward financially or slipping backward. Without this information, you're flying blind, making decisions without a clear view of your financial reality. Tracking your spending is like giving your money a health checkup. It's the first step to diagnosing any issues. It reveals your true habits and highlights exactly where you can improve, often in ways you never expected. For many people, this step alone is a wake-up call, a moment of clarity that sparks real change. When you see where your money really goes, you naturally start making better, more confident decisions. So, track everything for 30 days. No judgment, just clarity. Give yourself the gift of financial awareness. This is the first and most powerful move you can make to take control of your financial life and set yourself up for success. Now that you know your numbers, it's time to create a simple budget. This step is crucial in managing your finances effectively. Forget the idea that a budget is restrictive. It's actually your permission slip to spend intentionally. Think of it as a tool that empowers you. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This simple rule helps you allocate your money wisely. Needs are essentials: housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and minimum debt payments. These are the non-negotiables in your budget. Wants are the fun stuff: dining out, hobbies, streaming services. These are the things that make life enjoyable. Savings and debt repayment is where you build your future. This category ensures you're prepared for emergencies and future goals. Compare your tracked spending to these categories. This helps you see where your money is actually going. If your wants are too high, or savings too low, adjust gradually. Small changes can make a big difference over time. The goal isn't perfection overnight, but progress. Celebrate small wins along the way. Your budget is a plan for every dollar, reducing anxiety and giving you control. It's your roadmap to financial stability. When you get paid, you'll know exactly what's for bills, what's for fun, and what's for your future. This clarity is empowering. This proactive approach eliminates financial stress. You'll feel more in control and less anxious about money. A budget that allows for fun is one you'll actually stick to. It's important to enjoy the process. Make small adjustments each month to get closer to your ideal. Consistency is key. That's what real financial control feels like. It's a journey worth taking. Step 3. Build your emergency fund, your financial safety net. This isn't for new gadgets, it's for true emergencies like job loss or car repairs. Without it, any surprise expense can become a crisis. Your first goal: save $1,000 or 1 month of essential expenses. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account, safe, separate, and accessible. Once you hit your starter goal, keep building toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. Don't try to do it all at once. Slow and steady wins here. Even a small emergency fund provides huge peace of mind. Life is unpredictable, but a cash cushion keeps you secure. Prioritize this before aggressive debt payoff or investing. Every dollar you add strengthens your financial foundation. This fund turns emergencies into inconveniences, not disasters. It's the ultimate stress reducer. Sleep better knowing you're prepared for life's curveballs. With your emergency fund started, it's time to attack your debt. High-interest debt, especially credit cards, destroys wealth. Two main strategies: debt snowball, pay off smallest balances first for quick wins, or debt avalanche, pay off highest interest first for maximum savings. List all your debts, make minimum payments on all, and focus extra money on your chosen target. Snowball gives fast motivation. Avalanche saves more in the long run. Pick the method that keeps you motivated and stick with it. Every debt you eliminate is a step closer to freedom. Celebrate each win. Momentum matters. Don't get discouraged if it takes time. Consistency is key. Avoid new debt while you're paying off old. Watch your interest payments shrink as you make progress. The goal: free up your income for building wealth, not paying banks. Commit to your plan and attack your debt relentlessly. Every dollar paid off is a dollar working for your future.
If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's continue.
Now, shift from defense to offense. Start investing as early as possible. This is where your money truly starts working for you, not the other way around. The earlier you begin, the more powerful your results will be. You don't need to be rich or a genius. You just need time. Time is the most valuable asset when it comes to investing, and it's available to everyone. Compound interest is your best friend. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it gets. Even small amounts invested consistently can become huge over decades. Don't underestimate the power of regular, steady contributions. Don't wait for enough money. Start with what you have. The perfect time to invest rarely comes, so take action now, even if it's just a few dollars. Use low-cost index funds or ETFs, not individual stocks. These funds spread your risk and let you own a piece of hundreds of companies at once. Open an account with a reputable brokerage or use beginner-friendly apps. Many platforms make it easy to get started, even with small amounts. A Roth IRA is a great place to start for tax-free growth. Your investments can grow and be withdrawn in retirement without owing taxes on the gains. Invest in broad market funds like the S&P 500 or total market funds. These give you instant diversification and steady long-term growth. Don't panic when the market dips. Keep investing regularly. Ups and downs are normal, but staying the course is what matters most. This is called dollar-cost averaging, and it builds wealth over time. By investing on a schedule, you avoid trying to time the market and reduce risk. Make investing a boring automatic habit. Set up automatic transfers so you don't have to think about it. Consistency is key. Set it, forget it, and let compounding do the work. Over time, your money will quietly multiply in the background. Don't obsess over daily market moves. Focus on the long term. The real magic happens over years, not days or weeks. Consistency beats timing the market every time. Slow and steady truly wins the race. The race when it comes to building wealth. Start now. Your future self will thank you for every dollar you invest today. The best time to plant a tree was years ago. The second best time is now. Managing money can feel overwhelming, so automate everything you can. Set up direct deposit splits, some to checking, some to savings, some to investments. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees and protect your credit score. Schedule automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts right after payday. This pay-yourself-first approach guarantees you're building wealth. Automation removes willpower from the equation. Success becomes the default. You'll quickly adjust to living on what's left in checking. Your financial system runs in the background, stress-free. No more manual transfers or missed payments. What's left in checking is your guilt-free spending money. Automation reduces decision fatigue and keeps you on track. Build your financial assembly line and let the system work for you. Consistency is effortless when it's automatic. Automation is powerful, but you still need to check your progress monthly. Set aside 30-60 minutes each month for a quick financial review. Compare your spending to your budget. Did you stick to your 50-30-20 plan? Check your emergency fund, debt balances, and investment contributions. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. Plan for upcoming expenses so you're never caught off guard. Make small adjustments as needed. These add up over time. This monthly check-in keeps you moving in the right direction. Schedule it as a recurring money date on your calendar. Make it a positive, empowering ritual. Over time, you'll spot trends and optimize your finances. Consistent attention separates those who drift from those who build wealth. Stay engaged and in control. Your future depends on it. The final step: upgrade your money mindset. Your beliefs about money shape your financial behavior. Limiting beliefs like "I'm bad with money" or "money is evil" hold you back. Identify and challenge these thoughts, replace them with empowering beliefs. Adopt a growth mindset. You can learn and improve your money skills. Every step you take proves you're capable of managing money well. Surround yourself with positive financial influences, books, podcasts, and people. Unfollow accounts that promote unhealthy spending or make you feel inadequate. Curate your information diet to support your new mindset. Building wealth is about becoming disciplined, intentional, and resilient. Believe you're worthy of financial security and capable of achieving it. The practical steps are the how. Your mindset is the why. Align your actions and beliefs. There's no limit to what you can achieve. You now have an 8-step roadmap to go from stress to in control. Managing money isn't about being rich or a math whiz. It's about simple, consistent action. Start today. Track your first expense. Calculate your 50-30-20 numbers. Open a savings account. Every big success starts with a small step. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just begin. Your future self will thank you for every step you take now. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Your journey to financial freedom starts right now.